Hello everyone. I hope you are all well. So today we are going to start with our chapter number 2 of Robinson Crusoe, The Lonely Island. Our chapter's name is The Lonely Island. I woke up next morning to find clear weather and a calm sea. So Robinson woke up next morning to find, just because he just wanted to find कि the weather was clear or not, and a calm sea. All the storm had gone and all the things were stopped or not. I could also see the ship. When he woke up, he had seen that the ship was also there, that was stuck in the mud, now which had been released. Now that ship had been released from the sand by the rising tide had come over there maybe, and that had changed the position of ship, so it was now released, it was now free, about a mile away but standing upright. This ship was mile away from Robinson. I needed to reach the ship. He just wanted to reach the ship to get some provision, just because he just wanted to get some daily usage things. I swam to her. Robinson had swum towards the ship. Her means ship. With the help of hanging rope. One hanging rope was going on over there. That's why with the help of that rope, he got up into the ship. I found the provisions touched by water. He found that some provisions, the daily usage things, were not even touched or not even spoiled by the water. They were safe. I ate some biscuits. So Robinson had taken or eaten some biscuits and filled my pockets with them. And he had filled his pockets with that biscuits. I tied 4 pieces of wood. After that, he had tied 4 pieces of wood and form a raft, and he had prepared a raft from it. And then I cut a spare mast. Then he had cut a spare mast, a pole, into 3 pieces and joined the pieces to the raft. And he had joined that pieces also to the raft. It was now strong enough to bear a reasonable weight. Now it was strong that so it can bear the weight of all the things. I took some food and water. He had taken some food and water also. Then rummaging for clothes means to say searching. Okay, he started searching for the clothes. He was not having the clothes now. I found some and took no more than what I needed presently. So he had found some clothes, but took no more than what I needed presently. Means he had taken some clothes only that he needed for the time being only. Okay? I found the carpenter's chest. He had found the carpenter's large box, बोल सकते हो, tool box बोल सकते हो, you can say, and loaded it into the raft, and he had put it into the raft. I did not forget some arms. He had never ever forget that he also needed some arms. Ammunitions means bullets, like pistols, swords, swords, and gunpowder he had taken from the ship. My next work was to find a place for living. So his next work was to find a place for the living. With the great difficulty, I climbed up a tree. With the huge difficulty, he had climbed up the hill. I saw that I was marooned on an island. Marooned on an island means to say he had left the deserted place to the island. It was a barren, means to say not so fertile and uninhabited. Nobody was there. Okay, alone. I knew not where to rest. He did not know where he had to take rest. So I made a barricade of sorts with the chest and board. So he had made one kind of wall, ठीक है, with the chests and boards. Okay, barricade means barrier, you can say, to defend of sorts with the chests and boards. Chests and boards of wood were there, so he had made that barricade with it. So after that, I decided to get everything out of the ship. He decided that he will take everything out of the ship. By and by, I brought away several useful things. So by the time he started carrying all the useful things like snails, spikes, hatchets, grindstone, and screwjack from the ship. I also took all the clothes. So for the time being, he had taken some clothes. Now he had taken all the clothes. A hammock. Hammock means a kind of hanging bed. Okay, where he can stay. He can lay some bedding. I made a small tent with the sail. He had made a small tent with the help of sail and placed all the chests and casks around it. And he had placed all the chests and casks around that tent. Then spreading a bed upon the ground, now he had spreaded the bed on the ground. I lay on it and slept, and he had laid over there, and he slept over there. So thank you so much.